The city is currently performing a Streambank erosion evaluation for all of the 120 creek miles in the city of Plano. The reason we are doing this is the amount of calls that we get from residents and homeowners regarding erosion behind their property.
Several times a week we send crews out to walk the creeks, and they look for erosion issues that are existing in the stream and places where those erosion issues are threatening the built environment. And then we document those both with photos and with a rating system.
And from that, they'll also look at repairs and give us options for repairs at some of those erosion sites and then associated cost. We have bridges, culverts, we have roadways that have retaining walls up to creeks, and those all need to be evaluated and ranked and prioritized so that we're budgeting those properly.
Erosion just by itself is not really threatening anything. It's not something that we worry about, but if it's threatening something that is a built feature, a house or a bridge or a road, then it's an issue. For me, one of the most important things about the program is that the city is taking the initiative to be proactive and going out and looking at these streams that are a lot of times out of sight, out of mind, and in other places they get surprised by the erosion when it finally threatens something that people notice.
Being reactive, we don't have a full picture of what the city stream banks look like. Now that we're being proactive, we'll have a starting point with what the erosion looks like now, and then we can continue to reassess and evaluate every few years and keep a database of our stream banks.